Hey guys, it's John from Tactical here. Today we're going to show you how to use the adapters in your MX-1. In each packaging of the MX-1, you will have two adapters. One will be for the Glock 26-27. The other one will be for the Glock 43, 43X, and the 48. All right, so now you're going to go ahead and open up this bag here and pull out both the adapters. We also have 3 screws, 3 nuts, and an included Allen key. Today we have a Glock 43. Make sure that is clear. You're going to take the adapter for the correct firearm. I have the one for the 43X in my hands here. Very simply, you're going to open it up, attach the left side, and it is stamped on the inside here. Attach the left side to the left side of the frame and the right side. Once you've done that, insert one nut right there. And then just use your Allen key to tighten it up. Once tightened, you'll see that everything still works as it should. At this point, you'll go ahead and grab your MX-1. Make sure to open her up. Go ahead and insert the firearm. When you hear that click, you know you're locked in. Shut your rear door, put your pin in. Now you've got your adapter in the MX-1. Happy shooting.